A Literary Agent Guide at Curlie. Chapter 1. Literary Agent Websites at curlie.org. Literary Agent Websites at curlie.org/n/business/publishing_and_printing/publishing/literary_agents. Subcategories. Associations. Directories. United States. AndrewNernberg.com, Andrew Nernberg Associates. Representing international authors and leading UK and US agents and publishers. Based in London, UK. Angelfire.com/tv/azure/index.html, Azure Literary Agency. Azure represent writers in fiction, non-fiction, film and television. Birmingham, England. AnthonyHarwood.com, Anthony Harwood Ltd. International literary agency representing authors of fiction and non-fiction. Oxford, UK. BookseekerAgency.com, Bookseeker Literary Agency. A small literary agency, based in Scotland, representing writers of poetry, fiction, and other work. Caroline'sHeldon.co.uk, Caroline Sheldon Literary Agency. Represents illustrators and published and debut authors. London, England. ChristopherLittle.net, Christopher Little Literary Agency. Represents non-fiction and children's and adult fiction. London, England. CMM.agency, Coombs Moylett Maclean. London-based literary agency. Cornerstones.co.uk, Cornerstones. London, UK. Literary consultancy. CreativeMediaManagement.com, Creative Media Management. Technical and literary agency representing above and below the line creatives in film, television, and theatre. London, UK. CurtisBrown.co.uk, Curtis Brown. Representing authors, playwrights, film and television writers and directors, theatre directors and designers, television and radio presenters and actors. UK-based. EddysonPearson.com, Edison Pearson Literary Agency. A London-based literary agency, mainly of children's and young adult fiction. ElLasher.com, the ElLasher Literary Agency. Manages foreign rights for Spanish and international publishing houses and represents authors for all languages. Barcelona, Spain. Ulama.com, Ulama International Literary Agency. Fiction and non-fiction, commercial and literary. Rome, Italy. Featureworld.co.uk, Feature World. Publicist and media agent placing real-life stories in UK press, newspapers, magazines, and television. GrandmaChristie.com, Grandma Christie Literary Agency. Specialises in general non-fiction, including business, humour, health, and popular culture. London, England. GrandeAgency.se, Grand Agency. A literary agency representing authors from Sweden and other Scandinavian countries. HardyandKnox.com, Hardy and Knox. A literary consultancy that offers professional advice on how to get published. London, UK. JennyBrownAssociates.com, Jenny Brown Associates. Representing writers based in Scotland. JordansText.de, Jordan's Text. Germany-based literary agency, also provides editing and translations. Mediana-agency.com, Mediana, Russian literary agency. A literary, film and TV rights agency established in St. Petersburg, Russia. Works with English and non-English content. MercedesROS.com, Mercedes ROS Literary Agency. Children's fiction and non-fiction, albums, board books, religion, games and crafts. For adults, crafts, hobbies, sports, parenting and self-help. Spain. Nabu.it, Nabu International Literary Agency. Founded by Silvia Brunelli, representing many internationally renowned publishers over the years. Nordiniagency.se, Norden Agency. Swedish authors and their works worldwide. peonyliteraryagency.com, Peony Literary Agency. A Hong Kong-based agency with clients in all parts of Asia. psliterary.com, PS. Literary Agency. Fiction and non-fiction works, including young adult, literary, history and gambling. Toronto, Ontario, Canada. reaagency.org, Rea. A Lebanon-based literary agency, specialized in the representation of world rights of translation and adaptation of Arabic works. redhammer.info, Red Hammer Management. Represents mostly fiction. Salomonsonagency.se, Salomonsson Agency. Stockholm, Sweden, focusing on literary fiction, crime fiction, and children's fiction. smatalent.com, SMA Talent. London, UK-based film and TV composer management agency. tiborjones.com, Tibor Jones. Literary agency and arts consultancy. London, UK. transatlanticagency.com, Transatlantic Literary Agency Incorporated. Currently represents adult and children's authors and illustrators across Canada and the USA. uklitag.com, Youth Corner Literary Agent, SL. Barcelona, Spain. unitedagents.co.uk, United Agents. Represents novelists, biographers, historians, and specialist writers. London, UK. writing.co.uk, writing.co.uk Literary Consultants. A literary consultancy. Cambridge, United Kingdom. wileyagency.com, The Wiley Agency. An international literary agency with offices in London and New York.